Hey, welcome everyone. Exciting morning here in our live trading room. We just got done with our morning briefing and just discussed our trading plan. As you know, even from yesterday's presentation, the VXX position is long. The spider position, if you look here on the screen, spider's still short. Now, yesterday towards the close, a lot of things were looking very negative. We ended the day with a daily sell signal in the spiders, but it wasn't really all that negative enough to take action on maybe initiating put options. This morning as we come in, fundamentals completely changed. The European Central Bank held their interest rate policy steady. Our fourth quarter GDP number came in hotter than expected, 1.9 versus 1.6. What that does is it kind of spells a little bit of maybe flavor that our U.S. economy is getting a little maybe heated, and therefore perhaps the Fed is raising rates again. So we're back on that. In addition, nothing new out of China. So let's take a look at the China factor. Number one, we have a lot of material stocks. Ab Marley, which was at 93 a week ago, is at 84.30 right now. That's just down today $2, and overall that's down $9 from the last 5 days. Material sector stocks. Nucor, steel sector, Nucor back down into the 58.94 area. So looking at what would benefit the U.S. manufacturers would be, and of course our own industries, would be if we could cut a deal with China, blah, blah, blah. So we're paying attention to those sectors. Now, let's take a look at the ES in our trades. The ES generated a short position, and as I said yesterday, when the trend of the advanced decline is going down, you ain't taking longs. The spiders generated that sell signal there, but when we walked into the morning, we entered into the room with a short position. Traders can obviously take a look at where that position is, and here's the position right there on the board. So we just wanted to first point that out. Where is the market right now in relationship, and how much is this trade generated? So from this morning at 8:55, it's up $2,500 on 2 contracts. That's the algo optimizer strategy. In addition, look at the VXX system. Yeah, we took a hickey. Overall performance. We said that if the market closed lower that day, it would initiate a new leg down. It didn't. It stopped out. It reversed and went long. And it's simply made up much more than that little loss. So just as a case point, in any type of trader, and I don't care wherever you're at, no one system has winning trades all the time. It just proves that you got to manage your risks and let your winners ride. That's it. That's what this algo system does. And then manage the trade. And that's what this is going to do. It'll kick in a trailing stop eventually. Next, the spiders. If you recall, we put out in the video, we are in a short position and it got stopped out, and in or long position, and we were looking for the market to close greater than that high in the S&Ps. It never did. It failed. It stopped out with a little loss. What did it do? Jumped right back on the horse, went short, and now the position is still short. That's what the algo optimizer is, current positions. In crude oil, we've already had a couple trades today, one good, one average, still short. You can see the performance right now up $160. In the euro currency, not trading. It missed a trade. The risk is too great. It does not trade during the hours before we open up the trade room. Why have a system get into trades that says, here's profits and you can't participate because the trade already happened before we were here? At least with the S&Ps, what happens with our traders in the room is they can look at the trade, join the trade, and say, hey, here's the yellow lines in the sand. Those are the stops, or at least that's the last conditional change function that will kick into high gear. So another exciting day here using the algo optimizer as well as what we're doing in our trade room. If you want more information on how to join us and learn how to make profits in the market and maintain a professional edge in the market, then join the live trading room. You'll have access to my weekly thoughts and observations newsletter. And I'm here to tell you, so far this year, we're killing it. I don't know a lot of people that are able to, and in this performance summary, you can see all the trades that we put on before the market opens each and every week. You have access to that newsletter, you have access to my weekly videos, and then access to our live trading room as we begin each and every day. Thank you for watching. I hope at least in this this video, I wanted to follow up because this has been a very interesting week, powerful week, big money making week, and you've been seeing these trades live in front of you generated each and every day. If you've been in we started an open house to kickstart what I think is the right way for traders to not just put their money where their mouth is, but also to put down great strategies that people can follow in a live trading room environment and follow a professional trading methodology. I look forward to seeing you, and we welcome you to come into our room and see your success grow. Thank you very much.